So today I'm going to explain how I practice with small kids, and it's going to be how I teach them the rhythm and different notes. So with the smallest ones, we do not use the numbers. With the big ones, we use the numbers. So we start with these 3 notes. So we have the 8th notes. They are usually in a group of 2, and we call them titi. At the beginning, we use small percussion instruments such as this egg or something like this, where they can create and play small rhythmical patterns without actually any knowledge of the piano or any fingering or anything that is necessary for the instrument itself. So they just learn and practice the rhythm. So they know that titi, which is this, and it always looks like that in our exercises, means 2 fast shakes, T. And together it equals 1 if they are a little bit older, if they can understand the numbers. If they are even more, like, let's say more mature and able to comprehend that 1 equals half, 1 half and half, then we work with this. The next pattern or the next note that we introduce is ta. It means ta, 1 shake with the egg. And the third one that we usually do at the beginning is to or long ta or ti. It depends on the child. Somebody prefers to have it as ta because it looks similar. It's not colored. Somebody has to have it as to. And when we shake, we play just 1 to and keep it. Or somebody does it like that, to, and keeps shaking until the end of the note. If the child is a little bit older, we count 1 count and 2 counts. We do not use the names anymore. So it means it will be 1 and 1, 2, or 1, 2. Then we also add 3 count note, which means it is the same as a 2 count note, but it has a dot. And then this is a 4 count note. But we don't have these notes at the very beginning. So with the smallest ones, we practice just these 3 notes with the small percussion instruments. And then we have different sheets. It can look, for example, like that. And we practice the exercises. When we played on the piano, we just played like this. Ti, ta, to. And then the child follows the instructions or the patterns that we have on the sheet. So if I demonstrate on this line, the last line, we have also rests here, which we add later on. Instead of a rest, we say rest, or we just do shh, like a sound that suggests that we are supposed to be quiet. So if the child is small, let's say 3 to 5 years old, sometimes 6 or 7, it depends on his ability to understand the numbers and the notes and everything together, we play titi and tata. So the first bar would be ti, 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 ti. We make a small break in between the notes, and then later on we connect it. Then if I play the whole line, it would be like this. Ti, 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 shh, shh, ti, ti, ta, ta. And then we stop.